Now today the topic is magnetic field due to very long current carrying cylinder. It's an application of Ampere circuit law, so we'll use Ampere circuit law only. So there are few cases in it. So suppose first let me draw a cylinder. Okay, so here is a cylinder. It can be solid or hollow, both the cases we will take. So first you consider as just a cylindrical shape. Okay, and this cylinder carries a current. Well, if it is hollow, then also it carries current. If it is solid, then also it carries current. Okay, now my first case will be when the magnetic field due to this cylinder carrying current outside it. So somewhere, if the point is here, somewhere here is my point, I have to find magnetic field at this point. So to find magnetic field and to use Ampere circuit law, we need to first consider Amperian loop. Okay, so you suppose the cylinder's radius is capital R. Okay, and then from here to here, this perpendicular distance is small r. So I'll consider a circular loop of radius small r. Okay, circular loop is from radius small r. This circle is the Amperian loop. Okay, and now because this is the Amperian loop, now I dl. Now I is in this. This is only dl. Okay, ये dl है. So dl will be tangential to this loop, and current is here in this loop. So integral Ampere circuit law के हिसाब से this is case 1. Okay, case 1. My small r is greater than capital R, so this loop is outside. My point is P is outside this loop. I have to find magnetic field at point P. So integral B dot dl is equal to mu naught I, where I is the current threading inside, so I is the current in this. Now this condition, when R is greater than capital R, the expression which we will get will be same for hollow cylinder and solid cylinder. Okay, why? Because whether it is hollow or solid, it is inside this Amperian loop, so the current is same. Entire current, whether it is solid or hollow, entire current will come in this because it is inside this Amperian loop. Okay, so now your magnetic field, so right hand thumb rule के हिसाब से, if this is the direction, current is in upward direction. ठीक है, if this is the direction of the current, upward, if suppose, so thumb will point in upward direction and my curl of the finger here will be pointing out downwards. That means inside the plane of the paper, and this tangential dl is also inside the plane of the paper. Okay, just because of 2D it is looking up, but it is actually inside the plane of the paper. So B and dl, they both are in same direction. If you take dl this side, it will be this outside the plane of the paper, and the direction of magnetic field will be outside. So no matter which point you take, your B and dl are always in the same direction. So what we will get, B dl cos 0 is equal to mu naught I. Okay, now next you see cos 0 is 1, so integral B dl is equal to mu naught I, and B, due to symmetry, every point on this Amperian loop at same distance from this wire or a cylinder. So magnitude of B, this is magnitude, so magnitude of B will be constant. So due to symmetry, this you need to write, okay, that due to symmetry B is constant on the Amperian loop. That is the reason we took Amperian loop to be circular symmetrical. Okay, so you can take B outside this integral, and then you can mu naught I. Now integral dl will be this circumference 2 pi r. B into 2 pi small r is equal to mu naught I. So B is equal to mu naught I upon 2 pi r. This expression is exactly similar to the magnetic field due to infinitely long current carrying wire. ठीक है, उसमें भी यही आता है. Here also we are getting same thing. So whether the cylinder is hollow or solid, the expression will be this. Now case 2, if you take case 2 is when r is less than capital R. That means your point is inside. Your point P is inside. So if your point P is inside, then again I'll draw this diagram. This was a cylinder. This was our real cylinder. Okay, this is the axis of the cylinder. This was the radius. Okay, now because point P is inside, so with this is the shortest distance, let this be smaller. Now with this radius, I'll consider another Amperian loop, but this time this Amperian loop will be inside. Okay, inside the wire. Now see, inside the wire, if I take this Amperian loop, you see that if I take this cross section, then if it is a solid cylinder, inside this cross section, current density. If you see, current density is current per unit cross sectional area. So current per unit cross section here and current per unit cross section here will be same because current density, but the current here will be different from the current here. Why? Because the area is different. For this cross section, current will be different. So let the current in this cross section be I dash. Okay, current in this be I dash. I dash is current in new cross section. Okay, so if it is current in new cross section, then I dash by this area, which is pi small r square, will be equal to total current upon total cross section area pi capital R square. So your I dash will be equal to pi cancel, small r by capital R square into I. Okay, now I will use Ampere circuital law. So according to this, B dot dl is equal to mu naught I dash. Okay, this case 2 is okay, but this what I am doing is for solid cylinder. Okay, solid cylinder. So your I dash is equal to R square by I. Here I have to put I dash. So this substitution, B dot dl integral is equal to mu naught R square by capital R square into I. Okay. Now remember children, I dash is the current inside this loop. Okay. Outside loop we do in Ampere circuital law, I is the current inside the loop. So ये I dash है, and that is why I've taken I dash. Okay. Now again if I consider only this portion inside, इसकी वजह से there will be one cylinder and that is like a straight wire. Due to that magnetic field, the current ऊपर की तरफ जा रहा है, so the direction of magnetic field will be inside, this side, inward. Okay, inside the plane of paper, and dl part will also be inside the plane of the paper. So this angle between them everywhere will be 0. Okay, is equal to mu naught I r square by capital R square. अभी ये 0 1 होता है और cos 0 1 होता है. B due to symmetry, again you'll write due to symmetry. B is constant on Amperian loop. So if it is constant on Amperian loop, we can take it out. B integral dl, closed integral dl is equal to mu naught I by r square by capital R square. Now it is closed integral dl, तो मतलब ये circumference, so it will be B is equal to 2 pi small r is equal to mu naught I r square by capital R square. So this r and this r, one r gets cancelled. So what we get, B is equal to mu naught by 2 pi small r by capital R square. Okay, so this is like mu naught I by 2 pi r square into r, this capital R. This is a constant. Okay, so you see B is directly proportional to r. So it is directly proportional to r. That means if P point is closer, magnetic field will be smaller. As you go out, magnetic field will increase. So it will increase till you reach here. After you go out, what will happen? Then we have to consider case 1, which is mu naught I by 2 pi r. So as you go out of this, then it becomes inversely proportional. This first case was inversely proportional to r, and this case it is directly proportional to r. Okay, so if you have to draw diagram for magnetic field variation with r for solid cylinder, see inside it is directly proportional to r. So till capital R, your magnetic field is directly proportional, and when you are outside this loop, your small r is greater than capital R, then it becomes inversely proportional. So this will be the diagram, and what will be this value? This value will be magnetic field at the cylinders. So this value at the cylinder is when small r is capital R. So ये capital R डालोगे तो एक r cancel, mu naught I by 2 pi r, which is same as mu naught I by 2 pi r. So mu naught I by 2 pi बस capital R डालना है. So ये value है यहाँ की B naught की, and after that it is decreasing inversely. Okay, this was for a solid cylinder. But if your cylinder is not solid, then what you will do? If your cylinder is not solid, then in case 2, case 1 it is outside cylinders, this part is same, but in this part, when you will use this B dot dl is equal to mu naught I dash, if it is hollow, there is no conductor inside, so I dash will be 0. ठीक है, for hollow cylinder I dash is equal to 0, so your integral B dot dl is equal to 0. So if integral B dot dl is equal to 0, B is 0. There is no magnetic field inside. Why? Because there is no current inside it. So magnetic field is 0. So if you have to plot this variation, magnetic field variation with small r for a hollow cylinder. This was for solid cylinder, and this is for hollow. So for hollow cylinder, what you will have is capital R है यहाँ तक, magnetic field is 0, and after that it is like this. Okay, and what is this value? This value is same as this, mu naught I by 2 pi r, but here inside it is 0, and this is directly proportional.